Okay, so we're here to demo how to do subsetting using R. Okay, so first we will import the data. Okay, so we have the data here. Uh, Send, browse our data. Okay, so this one, and then we look for. Let's rename this data as. Let's just say my data. Okay, and then we look for customers. Okay, so my data. Okay, and we'll import this one. Okay, so now we already have imported our data. Okay, so this is the list of data. Okay, and then um, to subset this one, we first have to uh, create a. We have to segregate first, like this one. College. Okay, those people. I mean, the data that says a number of people went to college. Okay, so here my data. Okay, my data college is equals to yes. Okay, okay, and then a comma here. Okay, so it's done. So the next thing is we will format the date. Okay, so college uh, uh, college birth date. Okay, so what we'll do is we're gonna format this one as that date. Okay, and then college birth date. Just have to copy this one. Okay, college birth date, and then format equals to parentheses, and this will be the format. Okay, and day and year. Okay, so we'll press enter. Okay, that's the format of the college birth date, the format of the date. Okay, and I will set the date for the first cutoff date. Okay, cutoff date 1. Okay, I guess it's been written all along there. We already have declared some values. It appears there is a cutoff date 1. Okay, so the cutoff date 1 will be as that date. Okay, and then this will be the format. Okay, uh, this is the start. Okay, level 1 and level 2. Okay, format the same as the birth date. Okay, just formatting here. And it's equals to um, same format as this one, the birth date. Okay, alright, okay, and then press enter. The next one will be cutoff date 2. Okay, so the cutoff date will be 12/31. Okay, this is the month, and then 31, 1999, right? Okay, the same format, then press enter. Okay, so now we have the cutoff date 1 and the cutoff date 2. So now we will segregate the millennials. Okay, these are millennials, so um, we will now derive the millennials. Okay, we will now our topic subset the millennial. Okay, so college is equals to uh, college birth date. Okay, so we just have to copy this one here. College birth date lesser than or equal to cut off date 1. Greater than or equal to cut off date 1. So cut off date 1 is um, January 1, 1982. Okay, so the college birth date for and we are we're just getting the data here from this cutoff date. Okay, and the next one will be just have to copy this one, and then this will be lesser than. Okay, okay? So and then a comma here, and then press enter. Okay, so we already have format the data, so now we'll check. Okay, let's try to view the millennials. Okay, let's copy this one. This is the range. Okay, we just provided this code here provided the range. Okay, and this code out here provided the formats. Okay, we're declaring the values here. Okay, so we'll click millennials. Okay, see here, this is the data. Okay, we have 59 data that has that are college graduate. Yes, and the range of their birthdays. Okay, um, we we segregate that one as January 1, 1982 to December 31, 1999, which is equal to a millennial. Okay, so next thing we'll do is um, the male and female. Okay, so we'll provide another subset. Okay, so subset to create a subset. Yes, what we did in the Excel. Okay, we also do it here. Okay, subset one. I'll just have to provide. You just have to name it subset. Okay, subset sex. Okay, um, yeah, we can name this a subset sex or just basically subset. Okay, here we are naming our this is for our own discretion of what will be the name. Okay, So we just have to choose here the first one will be the millennials. We already have this millennials here data here. Okay, so millennials. Okay, and then this one. Okay, and then we just have to get what we need. Okay, so these are the rows here, row sex. Okay, so we need the row sex, which is row 2. Row 6 is college. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, each size. Okay, we'll choose that one, and then the rest here. Okay, and the rest here. Okay, so the income. So I'll use that 7, 8, 9, up to 10 columns. Okay, so um, this I forgot to put some C. There should be a C here, column. Okay, that's parenthesis. Okay, so we now have set for the columns. So the next one will be huh, okay, I'm sorry. So we have to name this one as subset 1 for the columns. Okay, and for the subset 2, we'll use the we'll name this one. Okay, 2 is sex, 6 is HH size, and then the income. Okay, HH size. Okay, and then the income, and then the spending, and then the orders. Okay, and then the channel. Okay, so okay, so press enter. So let's check if we already have. Let's check if they are identical. Okay, subset 1. Subset 1. Okay, so this is subset 1 sex. Digit size, I think they are the same. And let's try to check the subset 2. Okay, yeah, I think it's the same. Okay, okay, you have two options here. Okay, so you might as well use this one, subset 2. I'm just showing to you. Okay, this one and this one, and this is the easiest one, subset 1. Okay, you just using the column, okay, instead of using the text. Okay, so now the next thing we will gonna do is turn this sex as a factor. Okay, so subset 1, we'll use subset 1. We'll use subset 1 dollar equals to sex. Okay, as factor. Okay, as factor subset 1 6. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna convert this one as a factor. Okay, enter. So we have now factored out the 6. Okay, to check, um, we're gonna use s dot factor if the variable subset 1 is already a factor. Okay, and if not, then it's not the factor. Okay, so let's check this factor. Okay, um, subset 1 6. Okay, let's check. Yeah, it's already a factor. So now we're gonna create some subsets. Okay, we're gonna um, we're gonna create a two categories, the male and the female. Okay, so sex is equals to split. We'll be splitting split to subset one. Okay, to subset one into the subset sex to this one. Okay, enter. So let's check if we have already separated the two. Okay, let's check. Let's check the view. View. Uh-huh. Sex. Female. Let's check. Okay, so we already have um, separated the male from female. Okay, so we have here 21 values. Okay, and let's check the male. Okay, the male. Okay, this is the male. Okay, this is the same as Excel, but we use codes to separate or subset different factors. Okay, and I think I've explained all basic sample of subsetting the data. Okay, thank you.